for having the clean as show. And you know, to celebrate it, check out all the clean whips and yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
What's going on, guys? Steve Satin here with Beyond the Build. Today's episode, we're gonna head out to Waifu Wraps car show in Montclair with Relentless, and Bay's gonna come through. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Well, she's not running right. I think I need to change the spark plugs. Since I'm already gonna have her on jack stands, I might as well do the Mishimoto radiator swap. Yeah, we're still gonna visit the boys, so let's go, guys. So we're taking Bay's daily.
Yay!
And then we're gonna visit the fam. Let's go, guys. Boom, we're here. Car show. Now with the build.
Yay!
There's Babe. There's the cute boys. Cute boys. He's cute. Cute, 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 cute. Hi. Hi, Cabbage. Cabbage. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Oh, Louis V.
For like,
Johnny. I'm biased. Johnny. First, second, third. Relentless boys. So Cassies. Yeah. First place is actually gonna be me, but my first place is me because my car is in the garage. Second place is the foreman right there. That's not even in the show. Wait, deadass? So it's like, how you gonna hold it? You just vote?
yeah, you just walk around.
Okay. Okay, well, let's go check out the cars. We're gonna check out the cars. First judging. All right, deadass. I love the wide body kit. Everything's super clean right away. Fitment. Fitment's a must. Fitment. Oh, so cute. So cute. So cute. I like the carbon fiber accents. Very good. Alright. These are the wheels we need, TE37s. One stock, these two, they're super clean. Make sure to give a like, follow. Love the interior. Okay. Super clean, super clean. Hey, we finally meet in person. Hi. Detailing. Very shaggy vehicle. I like it. Appreciate it. Super, super clean. Oh, is that a legit one? Or is that a rep? Is it legit or is it a replica? I mean, it has to be. It looks like it's legit though, right? If it's like blocked off. Super clean Shelby. Super, super clean Shelby. Yeah. Cars and Coffee. We've been there. Glendora. Like it. Like the vibes, man. Love it. Thank you, thank you. Huh? Oh, right on, man. Yeah, we'll get the Z running. We'll bring it out over there, man. Appreciate it, man. We'll see you around there. One more time. Do it again. You were doing just fine earlier. Again. All together. Hello, hello. Hi, hello. Pretty cool stuff. Hey, guys. Thank you. It actually looks really good.
It looks good because it's new.
No, you missed the buff light. Well, it's a missing buff right there. But.
Well, you should vote for your car and my car.
I'm dead ass about to bring my car right now. Best of show 1, best of show 2? No.
Best to show, the blue 350Z. There, where is it? Which
Where?
one?
Where? Alright, let's take a closer look at this one. Right, I like this front end. I like honeycomb. Alright, got a catch right there. Lugs, wheels. Interiors, light modification. Duckbill. Okay. I like this full air suspension, wide body. Like out tail lights, honeycomb. A proper trunk setup. Okay. Looks like 2 444s, 2 3-gallon tanks, 5-gallon tanks. Okay, so it's looking proper. A little bit of interior, racing seats. I'm looking for a complete package when I want to see everything touched. Okay, cool wrap right here. Like that, we can't really see interior yet, but I like this wrap. It's fun. Why you judge for me? You judge. I'm gonna let her judge right here. I'll let her do it.
You're making me nervous.
Why don't you judge real quick? Okay, we have another. Okay, out of the group. Okay, I think I already have my. I think I have my picks ready for.
Johnny, Richard.
Okay. That's little plush toys. Very fun. Good job, guys. Good job.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. What's going on? Hey, we had your puppies in the vlog earlier. Last time we were at the block party. Yeah. Here, can my lady go pay your pups? So young. I've never seen that before. That's so smart. They helped us like, hi, remember me? I smell like lumpia. Chicken adobo.
Yum.
Chicken adobo. Yeah, Filipino. You see that? Yeah, represent Filipino. Appreciate it. Good stuff, man.
Best of show Wrangler. Oh, it's right there.
That's the best of show right here.
Yes, sir.
First, second, third, best import, most creativity, the best domestic.
Say less, man. Say less. That's all you need. That's all you need, bro.
Okay. All right. Huh? It's Link. I'm a sucker for that look of.
What is happening then?
Is that a haiku? Oh yeah. You have more on this side?
I have some seats that I think you might like.
Oh, sick. Okay. Oh, NRG. Yeah. So kawaii. No, bro, you killed it.
The system in the back's crazy too.
Yeah, let me see it, man. Yeah, I see the full build. Yeah, show us.
You kind of look through the trunk. It kind of doesn't.
Oh, I
look
see.
Like,
Sick,
can't really
dude.
see much.
Oh, I hear. Oh shit, like a big ass box. It was like 212. So you just rolling with no hood, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes it be like that, man. You gotta show it off.
Yeah. I haven't got pulled over yet, so.
Hey, man. Sometimes it be like that. You got. That's what you gotta do, man. Appreciate your build and have fun, man. Hey, thanks for showing me, man.
Thank you.
Cheers. It's the last time. El Monte. This is the other track car. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Oh, vlogging the vlogger. Great. How you doing? High five.
Get him.
Vlogception. Vlogception. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's up, guys? I help run Waifu Wraps with Nathan. I do drive a 350Z as well.
I knew it. Hey, dude. I saw yours at, we were at Domestic Abuse Awareness. Guys, check out the previous episode. But we're having a clean as show. And, you know, to celebrate it, check out all the clean whips. And, yeah.
Thank you.
This is like vlogception. This is like first of the first.
Oh, shit.
Love the head. Got some wheels here, and more wheels. We have to check out these ones. All right, let's wrap around this way, and we'll come back, check these ones, and then we'll put our votes. All right. Thanks to Waifu Wraps for having us, and we just checked it out. But let's check out these. Oh, best show. Okay. Very creative wrap in front. Look at it. Okay. Wraps?
Cars for sales.
No.
It's in the drive-thru questions.
Okay, stop this.
I want this one.
Like, no. Like, I don't remember having this one here.
I don't remember when we got that.
I don't know whose this one is. Okay, fun wraps. Hey, this is a fun setup. Yeah, man. Tony. Tony. Best of show. I mean, that's, I just appreciate it. I want to have this one just as the other driver. Killing Tony. I don't know if I can post that, but goodness. Hey, it's the homie. You see him like literally every show. Seeing you. Yeah, kill it. Love it, man. Every time, killing it. Good job, man. Hey, we saw him too, El Monte too, over there. All right, so this is the build we haven't seen yet, El Monte. It says the, what's his name? He has the front bumpers for the 350, make a more modern look. I don't know if it's legit. It looks legit. It's pretty good. We got Link in the front. Gold emblem. I'm not sure what wheels these are, but look like T37s. Kind of looks like a wrap. I think it's a wrap. That's fine though. Wrap looks fine, solid. The Alpine solid in the center. Wrap the back. Reverse backup camera, plus points. It's a Z Leprechaun. Z Leprechaun. It's for APR front splitter. Very good fit, man. What's a static car on there? This is probably static, huh? Check. Decalipers. Custom. You know. One wrap. Bless you. So wrap. Oh, it's painted. We have the Battle Arrow rear trunk setup. Is this back? No, this is static. You gotta see the sticker real quick. Okay. You know, I realized I was vlogging this whole time. I didn't get any beauties too. We gotta do some beauties. Thank you.
Ship to 1 penny, man.
To the moon. To the moon. Alright guys, that's all the builds right here at Waifu Wraps. We're gonna put in our vote. These are all the waifus right here. We're gonna head back out. We're gonna head out now. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Peace. Back it up, Terry. Back it up, Terry.